everyone, welcome back to my channel, Adventures with Amirah. Today we are staying at the Embassy Suites, Midtown Atlanta, and I couldn't find any reviews really about this hotel when I booked it because it's brand new. It's only been open for 3 weeks. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick room tour and tell you guys what's in the area, how the room is laid out and everything so you guys can see for yourselves. So far everything looks gorgeous. It's very tastefully done, beautiful accommodations, and we got a really good deal for this. I think it was around $200 a night, maybe a little bit less than that. And so I feel like for the area that it's really nice. When you're coming into this area of Atlanta, the houses are really pretty and stuff. There's a lot of apartments and whatever, but it's very walkable. There's restaurants in this area and a lot to do. So let me show you the room. I wanted to give you guys a tour because I could not find any room tours online. So we are staying up in room 413. They actually did say they were sold out like to 125% occupancy, so I'm glad that we got in. I've noticed here that they have this Hilton Clean Stay sticker. We actually had to cut through this with our room key, which I think that's really nice to show that they are doing extra cleaning protocols to keep us all safe. That was really nice. Here's our stuff. We haven't even unpacked yet, but here's a little view of the first room that you come into. There's a desk. This bed over here is a sofa bed. There's a little coffee table, a stand on the side. Here we have a dresser, a nice TV that kind of swivels. And then as you go along, there's a mirror here. A little coffee maker. It's a Cuisinart coffee maker. And there's some little teas and coffees, a microwave, and the safe are down here. And on this side is the refrigerator. On the other side it's just empty under the sink for storage. A nice little sink there. I love having a sink outside the bathroom just if I need to wash my hands or do something. It's one of the nice things about having a suite like this. There is a nice size closet here. And here's the bathroom for you guys. It's got the nice expanded shower curtain rod up here that's kind of curved, so it helps it not be so close on you when you're in the shower. And here is a really nice size sink. I like this a lot. I like the ones that have a cabinet underneath. And it's just open for storage, which that's nice. They've got towels here, and then this is a hair dryer. And as far as toiletries here, they do have Neutrogena toiletries, which is really nice. I like Neutrogena. I use this at home myself. So that's a nice touch. We haven't stayed in the Embassy Suites for quite some time. I like the geometric decor here. I noticed in the lobby the chandelier is geometric down there too, and they have a lot of different geometric patterns throughout. And then let's see the bedroom. Very, very modern. We did get the 2-bed plus the extra sleeper since we have 2 kids that will be sleeping separately. And we also asked for the city view room, so I'll show you guys the view out the window in a second. Here's another TV over here. And another little desk area. I guess the other closet is just to keep your luggage and stuff, or if you just need extra space, so that's actually a nice touch. The last time we did stay in the Embassy Suites, it wasn't nearly as modernized and updated. I mean, this is beautiful. And let's see what kind of view we have. So out here, there is a little apartment complex across the way, and there's a little dog park down here, if you can see that. We are right on the street, but we're on the 4th floor, so hopefully it won't be too noisy. It does look like a very nice area though. very happy with the area when we were coming in. Lots of beautiful houses. There is like a little arc down the street that looks like a miniature version of the Arc de Triomphe in France, I noticed. So that's right around the corner from here, kind of at the end of this street. But all in all, I think it'll be a really good place to stay. It's kind of centrally located to be able to walk to a lot of things. And here's another view going back to the room. The linens look really nice. Everything's so new and fresh, so that's really nice to be able to stay in a hotel when they first open like this. I'll add a few pictures, and I'll also include the breakfast buffet in the morning for you guys so you can see what you guys get on the buffet, and anything else they have around the hotel I'll add for you as well.